The Heritage Babesa. Papa Eddie is going to eat from the heritage food today. This restaurant, this house, right? Show you how to this house. See, this house is a step. You top. Yeah. Ah, is the door handle, okay, Eddie? It's a dragon, okay? It's a dragon. Ah, it's opening door. It's opening door. Okay.
Hi.
Say
hi.
Say Eddie. This is the traditional house. We are going to have the lunch today, and this is one of the good exploring area, like a bit of good experience. Okay, and this is the house. We are going to have this the big house. In big house, you can see the 3 floors. Okay, olden days, this house, the downside is the only cows, goat, sheep, and all. And the first floor is they use for the storing, and the second floor, people are living that way. We going to the traditional house. It is already angry. He's going fast, right? So reception's way. The cattle shed. The cattle shed, they are converted to like a restaurant now, and this is all restaurants. The people are going to eat here. The restaurant. Well managed.
Oh, take for you.
There's tea.
Not that.
What of tea?
Just soup how can you keep it?
Ayo.
So butter tea. Yeah.
Ready. Kabang deh.
Want to try, Eddie?
Penyaksian nama baga thang deh. Penyap.
Bat ila atau syubat lagi.
Bat deh.
Ini tuh murinan banget. Absar. Syubat lagi kayak deskripsi.
What is that, Eddie?
Up.
It's a bell. Yak have a bell, right? That is yak, okay? First they give the butter tea. How is the butter tea? Different experience of butter tea. They serve the butter tea.
The what?
Having traditional food, it's a chili. This one is soup.
Dal.
This noodles, dry fish, pork, rice, and traditional pots. Okay, you start it.
Taking 5 pork. Looks so tasty.
Tasty. Kedok ini.
All taken, right? How it is, Eddie? You like it? What is inside? Chicken? Chicken noodles. Okay.
Rồi quay.
Khát xong cho besar ni.
Rồi dẹp, cho đi thôi.
Papa, look. What is got?
He's eating chili like that, right?
Sắp.
The same like that.
Bat aktif.
Ah.
Oh, they're from here.
Oh. Push, push, push. Push. We will check if they will fall down or not. Push in the back. They are scared, okay, Ri? Enough, Ri, enough. Enough, Ri. Enough.
This is my room.
And
And this is the bed.
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 Papa Eddie sleep here, right?
Yeah.
And this one?
Heater.
Heater for cold, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
And
It's for Eddie toilet.
this
And
for
the-
my toilet.
See, the heater also hot water.
Heater also hot water.
It's a shower.
Shower.
Okay, then.
They're not showing. Oh, Papa.
Okay. The hot water and cold water, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Then.
Our but like.
Okay. Then.
Papa, I want to watch TV.
Oh, you have a TV also.
Yeah. Papa, I want to watch TV too.
Eddie, this one? You will not show this? Open.
This is outside.
Oh, it's a balcony.
Yeah.
Here we can see the outside people, right? Oh,
Come.
this is the Eddie room, right?
Yeah. Make watch a TV for me, Papa.
Okay.